Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, your one-stop place to improve English in a fun and easy way. In today's video, we're going to practice simple English questions and answers on everyday topics like hometown, hobbies, school, and daily life. These are common topics in English-speaking tests and conversations, so make sure you listen carefully and repeat after me. Speak with me, pause when needed, and try to give your own answers too. The more you practice, the better your English will get. Ready? Let's begin.
What is law? Law is a set of rules made by the government. These rules help people live peacefully. Why do we need laws? We need laws to maintain order in society. Laws protect people and their rights. Who makes the laws in a country? The government makes the laws. Lawmakers discuss and approve them. What happens if people break the law? If people break the law, they may be punished. Punishment helps stop wrong actions. How do laws help common people? Laws protect people from harm and injustice. They make everyone equal before the law. Are laws same for everyone? Yes, laws are the same for everyone. No one is above the law. What is the role of police in law? Police enforce the law. They protect people and maintain safety. Why should students learn about laws? Students should learn laws to become responsible citizens. It helps them know their rights and duties. How do traffic laws help us? Traffic laws keep roads safe. They help prevent accidents. What is the importance of law in society? Law keeps peace and discipline in society. It helps a country run smoothly.
Great job, everyone. You did amazing practice today. Remember, learning English is all about daily speaking. So, try answering these questions about your own life again after this video. You can even comment your answers below. I love reading them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English practice videos every week. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video.